Greetings, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of culinary delights with a recipe for a delectable stir-fry dish. Stir-frying is a classic cooking technique that involves cooking small pieces of food in a hot pan, rapidly moving them around so they cook evenly and become well-flavored. Stir-frying is not only fast and convenient but also versatile in terms of ingredients. Let's craft our stir-fry with some fresh vegetables like bell peppers, onions, carrots, and mushrooms. We'll add some aromatic spices like garlic and ginger for that extra punch of flavor. Next up, we'll toss in some lean protein such as chicken breast or tofu for that extra protein boost. And finally, let's season our stir-fry with soy sauce for that umami flavor and a splash of water to thin it down slightly. This will be great for just one person or fantastic on date night with your beverage of choice. Whichever way this will please that annoying hunger pains you may have. So, why not try this delicious stir-fry recipe tonight? It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Okay, now, I see you're still here. Now, let me give you a small bonus for sticking around. I'm excited to share with you a delicious and simple recipe that's perfect for any season: the caprese salad. This vibrant and flavorful salad is a no-cook favorite that's sure to impress your taste buds. Here are the ingredients you'll need: fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, salt and pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil. Now, let's get started. 1. Slice your fresh tomatoes thinly. The thinner you slice them, the easier it will be to eat. 2. Slice your mozzarella cheese thinly as well. This will ensure that both the tomatoes and mozzarella are equally represented in each bite. 3. Grab some fresh basil leaves. They add a burst of flavor that really brings the salad together. 4. Layer the tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil on a serving dish or plate. 5. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over the top for an extra kick of flavor and healthy fat. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Enjoy! And there you have it, a simple yet delicious caprese salad recipe that's perfect for summer, autumn, winter, or spring. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one coming soon. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!